Hello everyone, welcome to the world of computer science. This is video 9 of chapter 3, that is function in Python. In this video you will learn about function in module.
See first of all what is module. Basically modules refer to a file containing Python statements and definitions. What it means? It means in Python there are many modules, or you can say there are many libraries which we have to import in our Python programs, because there are some functions, there are many functions and many keywords in Python whose working and definitions are saved in a particular libraries. Okay, so for using that functions and keywords in our program, we have to import that particular libraries related to that functions or keyword. See, some methods are there where you have to import predefined modules in our Python program. The first statement here, by using import statement, you have to use import keyword, then after name of the module. Math is the name of module here. Then you can access all the properties of math module by using name of the module, dot operator, and the properties of that particular module. Okay, now see second method. Here we can rename the name of the module. Okay, by using this statement, import statement, import keyword, then name of the module, then as keyword, then whatever name you are giving of that module. That here m is the rename of the math module. If you are renaming any module, then by using the rename you can access all the properties of that module. I'm accessing pi here by using m, what that is the rename of that math module. Okay, the third case here, by using this statement you can access the particular properties of the module. Okay, here I'm accessing only pi of math module by using this statement. What is the statement? From keyword, name of the module, import keyword, then the property of the module. Now in our program I can access only pi. Okay, uh, what difference is there? Here I am not using math keyword and dot operator. I can access directly this property. Okay, now see, if you have to access all the properties of the module without using the name of the module in the code fragments, okay, then you have to use this statement, from name of the module, import asterisk keyword. It means you are asterisk means you are accessing all the properties of particular module. Now I'm accessing asterisk, then after, see here I'm accessing pi. Okay, we can access exponential here, e here, and many more. Okay, so these are the methods to import libraries in our Python programs. You have to implement all the methods and you have to revise all the methods.